How to log out Binance App account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. To log out Binance App account, first launch Binance application on your device and make sure that you logged into your account. Then you will land on the home page of Binance where you have to tap on Binance logo at top left corner of your screen. Now you will reach on this section where you need to tap on your user ID at top left corner. From this account center, you will see two options at bottom of the screen. Simply switch account or logout. To log out your account, tap logout at bottom right corner of your screen and then your account has been successfully logged out on Binance app. So that's how you will successfully log out Binance app account. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.